everyone, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be showing you, I will be showing you how to install Terraria maps onto your mobile Android device. Now, you see, I am on Amazon, but I also have Google Play Store, so it is okay because I can install. Well, what you're gonna need, you don't need unzip rar. That doesn't need. You're just gonna need Terraria, File Manager, which I like to call. What's it called? Just look up File Manager and find this one. It's very useful, and you also need Chrome. So click on Chrome. Just get that. Clear up some space. Don't know why that's opened. But what you're gonna want to look for is curse forwards. You click on it, then click on Terraria. So you have all these different maps to select. You got Area 51 mobile. I might install this. I'm actually going to install this. So you want to click download. And you gotta wait for it to install. If it doesn't show up, like it shows up right here, open. So make sure Area 51 world has to have that world at the end, or else it won't work. Go to your file manager. It might kick you out for a second, but it didn't for me this time. So as you can see, I download all these worlds. You head down until you find what you're looking for. So this one's called Area 51, so it's going to be at the top. Yep, there it is. Now you want to copy that, go to your internal storage, data, .com, whatever, go to worlds, paste. Area 51 world. Now head back. Make sure, like I'm about to do right now, so you want to click on the actual Area 51 mobile adventure. You gotta see files. Go down. You need to find. This one doesn't have it, so this might not work. But now you gotta reset Terraria. You need a backup file, so what you need is to install a map which has a backup file. So let's just see, is this gonna work? You'll be lucky if it actually works. Click single player. New. I'll just play press go. And it worked. See? Now you have the file of the map on your device. So what I want to do is play a little bit. So I'm going to create a new character. Don't worry, I'll get rid of this one. Just create a character, I'm just going to name him Boy. Click on Boy. Play. Area 51, play. And now we're in. This is it. Area 51. All your sources indicate that Terraria's mobile 1.13 update is located somewhere inside. There's no way you'll get through the front. Luckily, you've already prepared a tunnel underground. Area. Ooh, shiny stone. So I want to put all my stuff in here. So we're just enough as a ninja, huh? As you guys can see, I play Terraria many times. I play with Countryman and plenty other times. As you can see, that's down there is Area 51. We gotta do parkour. If you wanna, it'll work with any other map as long as it has some sort of backup. Area 51, the Area 51 map works as well if you guys wanna have a trouble playing it. So you don't jump up there. So, if you guys want more tutorials, like how to do things on PC, which you can just go on Reddit and find those, but those are the guards up there. Oh, no, wait. This place you can always taste it. Click it. Bam. Yeah, tunnel. I'll set my spawn point. According to your intel, the Terraria is being stored just beyond the door. You have to find a way to unlock it to gain access. Oh. Well. There we go. That's one done. And it opens on the other side. You have to go through. I'm trying to read. The terrain can be used to open the doors. If you see a purple light, hitting it with the arrow. Ooh. Oh, hold up. Oh. So now I can hop up here. Ooh, life crystal. Didn't mean to drink that. Oh no. Yo-yo bag. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, it's just a thing. Now we have over 120 health. So we should be good. Well, it crashed, but it's okay, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. I might start doing Minecraft tutorials. I might start doing more Terraria gameplay. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.